Hey there, this is Kevin with Tern Bicycles, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can strap down your front cables when you have a front rack installed on your bike. Now this will specifically be talking about bikes that come with a combo mount, so the bikes like the GSD, HSD, MBD, BYB, etc. Basically the bikes that have these mounts like this. You'll notice sometimes when you have your front rack installed, when you're maneuvering your bike and when you're steering, the cables might kind of get in the way and will knock into your front rack. And so to combat this issue, all of our front racks come with these nifty cable straps. Now, the purpose of these cable straps is to secure your cables so that they're not bump into the front racks or potentially getting outside the profile of your bike and could potentially hook onto something. We definitely don't want that. And for some reason you've lost your cable straps, then you can always go ask your dealer for a new set, or you could use plastic zip ties, because those work too. So here I will show you guys where to strap your cables down, basically. There are two different ways that you can strap these cables down, and that'll depend on if you have these cable mounts already installed on your bike. So where you do have these cable mounts installed, the lower cables can be strapped directly onto the combo mount or the rack mounting area. So you're going to want to bunch up these cables and then putting it through here. So you can slide it through like that, through over here. Make sure that you have the three cables. Well, these three cables are specifically for the GSD, so. And secure it like that. So now it's not getting in the way of anything. Now it doesn't need to be too tight, so when you're doing flat fold too, it's still able to flat fold basically. So same thing with the hollow rack. Grab your strap and you can fold it in like so, through the mounting point, and make sure you get the cables, strap it in through there, and tie it down like so. So now you have all the cables tied down so that when you're turning, problem solved. So that was an example of a bike that already has pre-installed cable holders or cable mounts. But for example, with this quick haul that does not have pre-installed cable mounts, so you can see that these cables are outwards like this, you can directly strap it to the stem. And in this case, it's the speed lifter stem. Just do that. And again, you don't want to be too tight with it, just enough so that the cables are securely strapped in. And so when you're turning, it's not coming into contact with the front rack anymore. And you're going to want to make sure not to have the strap impede the quick release, so that you're still able to move this up and down, adjust it to your position, and fully close it. So you're going to want to make sure that you're still able to fully close that quick release. And if your bike comes with the Feis's handle post, but it does not come pre-installed with the cable holders, then you'll want to strap the cable straps directly onto the Feis's handle post itself. Just make sure that where you're strapping it does not hinder the ability for the quick release to fully close. And just like that, your cables are secured and they're no longer bumping into your front rack. We hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions, always let us know in the comments and try our best to answer them. See you in the next one.